Next topic is exterior angles of a triangle. Let us understand what are exterior angles of a triangle. Here I have drawn a triangle ABC. In this triangle, when I produce the sides AB, BC and CA, the angles formed outside the triangles will be exterior angles. How? Let us see. When I extend this BC, here this angle, here if you extend it, you can name it as F point. So this angle 1 is exterior of this triangle ABC. Similarly, if I extend the side CA, this angle 2, here you can name it as say E. This angle 2 is the second exterior angle of this triangle ABC. Now where the third one will come? The third one will come here. This is the third exterior angle of triangle. This you can name as D. The third exterior angle. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are exterior angles formed by producing sides BC, CA and third side is AB respectively. Similarly, if the sides are produced on the other side, more exterior angles and interior angles you will get. So one important property of triangle today we are going to learn is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. See here, exterior angle 1. This angle 1 will be equal to the sum of this angle. You can name this angle as angle CAB. The name of this angle is angle CAB plus this angle, angle ABC. The exterior angle, angle 1 is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Similarly, if I take angle 2, angle 2 will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles, these two angles, and the name of the angles will be angle ABC plus angle ACB. Or if I take the third exterior angle, that is angle 3, angle 3 is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, these two angles. So the name of this angle is BAC, angle BAC plus the name of this angle is angle ACB. This important property we will use while solving the questions of triangles. Let us understand this property of a triangle with the help of an example. In triangle XYZ, two of the angles measure 50 degree and 60 degree. Find angle XZT. See here I have drawn a figure. XYZ is a triangle. Two angles are given, 60 degree and 50 degree. You have to find this angle XZT. So what I will do? I will use the property of the triangle. So in the solution, first you will write, since in a triangle the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, therefore angle XZT is equal to, now this angle, the opposite angles are these are interior opposite angles, so it will be equal to 60 degree plus 50 degree, that is equal to 110 degree. Another example given in your textbook, NCERT textbook, on page number 118, example number 1. Here you have to find the value of x. See, the exterior opposite angle is exterior angle is given and interior opposite angle 1 is given, other you have to find. Again we will write in the solution using this property of exterior angle property. This angle, you can name this triangle as X, Y, Z, and here you can name the point as P. So angle XZP, this is the exterior angle. This will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles, that is equal to angle ZXY plus angle ZYX. So put here the values. This is 110. Angle ZXY, ZXY, this is 50 degree, plus angle ZYX, this is X. We have given here X. So 110 degree minus 50 degree is equal to X. I have transposed this on left hand side. This implies the value of X will be 60 degree. So this way you can find the angle. Next is triaries of page number 118. Here the first question is given. The exterior angle of the triangle is of measure 70 degree and one of the interior opposite angles is given. You have to find the measure of other interior opposite angle. Means you have to find this angle. This you can name as X or you can leave it like this also. So here we will use the property since exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. See, in the book they have not named this triangle. I have named this triangle as PQR and this as S. So it will become easy for us to write here the relation. So PRS, angle PRS, exterior angle is equal to, this angle will be angle RPQ, I have written here, plus angle RQP. So this angle you have to find. You can name it as X, you can name it as Y, that is your choice. Or you can leave it like this also. So PRS is 70 degree, RPQ is 25 degree plus Y. So to find the value of Y, what you will do? 70 minus 25. So Y equals to 45 degree. Question number 2 is, the two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are given. You have to find the exterior angle. The figure was not drawn, so I have drawn the figure like this. I have named the triangle ABC. These two angles 60 degree and 80 degree are given. This one I have to find. I am putting here a question mark. So again what you will do in the solution, you will write the property since in a triangle the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore, what is the name of this angle? Angle DAC. Angle DAC will be equal to the sum of these two angles. These are interior opposite angles. So it will be equal to 60 degree plus 80 degree. So angle DAC equals to 140 degree. Question number 3 is something wrong in this figure? Comment. So you can see here these interior angles are given 50, 50 and exterior is also given 50 degree. So it is not satisfying the property which we have done just now, that the exterior angle should be equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is wrong in this figure. So in the answer we'll write, yes, here the exterior angle is not equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So this figure is wrong. Let us start exercise 6.2. Few parts I will do for you and the remaining you will do yourself. First question is, find the value of unknown x. Here the figure is drawn. This x you have to find. This x is the exterior angle for this triangle. So to find this value of x, we will use the property. First of all, you will write the property. Since in a triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, so x equals to 50 plus 70, that is 120 degree. Similarly, in the second question, these two interior opposite angles are given. This exterior angle you have to find. Again you will write the properties. Since in a triangle the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, so x equals to 65 plus 45, that is 110 degree. Question number 2 is again find the value of unknown x. The first figure is here, the exterior angle is given. One interior opposite angle is given. You have to find the other interior opposite angle. Again we will write the property. Since in a triangle the exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, so here this x plus 50 degree is equal to 115 degree. So what will be the value of x? X equals to 115 minus 50, that is equal to 65 degree. Then in the second part, again exterior angle they have drawn here 100 degree. one interior opposite angle is given 70 degree. You have to find the value of x. You will write the property again. Since in a triangle the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, so x plus 70 degree equals to 100 degree. X equals to 100 minus 70, that is x equals to 30 degree. Again and again when you will write the property in every part, you will learn it. That is why we say again and again write the property and then solve it.